Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today in this video we're going to be talking about Windows 10 again and some issues during updates that have been arising here lately. So Windows has been releasing several updates, however I don't feel like they've been as thoroughly tested as they have been in the past, and because of that we've had some funny issues with things. So I already covered a video that's with the common problems with audio. There's a couple of places that I tell you how to fix that in a lot of cases. And this one is going to be related more towards an internet connection. So there are a couple of things that have been changed or modified by an update that shouldn't have been, and it causes people not to be able to get on the internet. So let's go ahead and jump in how to fix that. You're going to look for this icon down here, and depending on whether or not the problem that has been arose, it's the internet logo down here. Sometimes it's Wi-Fi bars, sometimes it's Wi-Fi bars with a red X, or it's this with a red X saying that it's disconnected, which if you're having internet problems is likely what you're going to see. So you'll need to go to the computer that you're having issues with and click Open Network and Settings, or Internet and Settings. And once you get to this window, you need to click on Change Adapter Options. At that point you can close out of this background window, and you'll see that on this computer I actually only have one network on it and it is enabled. So I'm going to pull up another window here off of my PC to show you what it looks like. So here is what a more standard PC would look like. I have a few extras here, but you see this one is a special Wi-Fi, but you will see one that says like Wi-Fi adapter, the same as this here says just Ethernet, and this is the physical Ethernet port, where you plug in a cable, and you'll have one that says Wi-Fi adapter, and then it'll say what brand of Wi-Fi adapter is in the computer. But what you will see sometimes is this is disabled, and it'll be grayed out, and a lot of times all you have to do to fix it is right click on it and say enable. I'm not exactly sure why that has been happening with some of these updates and why it's even changing that network setting on it to begin with, but in a lot of cases that is what's happened. So even if you have a button on your computer or a switch on the side of it that turns on and off Wi-Fi, and it's in the right position and you still can't connect to Wi-Fi, it still says no networks are available, you definitely need to check this right here, because in a lot of cases this has been the culprit to why an individual was not able to connect to Wi-Fi. So this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. We'll see you again in the next video.